ona thengia wa ikundi itiganite guku bururi-ini gukorwo magitindikiriria muingi witikire guthurimwo murimu wa mukingo. Uthuthuria wa kanju ya guthaitira murimu uyu NSDC yugite namba nene ya arume matiitikagira kwiyumiria guthurimwo murimu uyu. Riboti ino yonanitie gicunji kia 48 harĩ igana gia ikuũ ciumanite na murimu wa mukingo ihanikagira arume ona thengia wa gukorwo namba nene ya aria makoragwo na virus cia murimu uyu ni atumia.
If we are not testing men, it means that the men cannot come under care. They cannot be put on treatment because testing is the pathway for you knowing whether you are HIV positive or not.
Na niguo kugarurira undu uyu kanju ino nitanyite gutabania mathomo thiini wa kaunti 8 iria ni hamwe na kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet, Baringo, Nandi, Uasin Gishu, kaunti ya Trans Nzoia, IKUU, West Pokot hamwe na kaunti ya Kericho makihinyiriria arume kwiyumiria gutabanirio ithimi cia mirimu itiganite niguo kurigiriria ikuũ.
A younger generation is getting more infections of HIV, disproportionately as compared to the other cohorts, and therefore we risk growing up a generation into the years of economic productivity that is suffering from ill health.
Hamwe noguo maruru ma murimu wa TB monekete kugumira namba nene ya arume gukiringithanio na atumia. Riboti ya mwaka wa 2022 ikionania gatagati-ini ka andu 90,000 aria magumirwo ni murimu uyu, gicunji kia 67 harĩ igana mari arume.
95% of the women who tested positive for HIV in the year 2023 were put on treatment. Only 91% of the male of the men who tested positive were put on treatment.
Utongoria wa kanju ino hamwe noguo no utanyite guthomithia airitu bata wa gwithema wohi wa nda cia tene gatagati-ini ka airitu mari thi wa miaka 18.
Counties that we are hosting or discussing or talking with on Monday accounted for about 42,000 of those new of those pregnancies that were recorded in the year 2024.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.